Hello, welcome to the AI Prompt Engineer. Today I am going to show you a great alternative of BlueWillow. Like we all know MidJourney is a paid. So there is a one proper great alternative BlueWillow. So I am going to show you the detail about this BlueWillow and review as well. So let's start. As you see, just go to this site bluewillow.ai and just join the beta version and then accept it to go to the Discord server. And after going to the Discord server, let's explore this, like what exactly this is, because I'm also not very much familiar with this. So as you see, this is a basic starting of this BlueWillow. Yeah, you can explore. This is a similar, oh, everything is similar, like a MidJourney. Like it is a, you can say, clone of a MidJourney, but it is free, totally free. So just go to the fact and rules, and you can see here, as such there is no proper strict rule, but yeah, we have to take care about these violations. As you read this point, this include content that graphics violate images and adult contents. So yeah, take care about this as well. And yeah, only English accept. So this is just a basic rules and regulation we have to keep in our mind. Let's go to the FAQ. As you see, FAQ here, the founders who created are anonymous. We don't know who created this. These days this is very common, especially for AIs. And yeah, and let's see what is the speciality of this. So this is a high quality AI model. Just no need to explain, this is basically a similar copy of, we can say, MidJourney. And you can say they describe it as a Google flight. Interesting. So yeah, these are some basic FAQs which you must read to make yourself aware. Like yeah, our own created images are our own, like we have complete rights. So yeah, that's good. So just go through all these basic FAQs and now move to the another part. And let's go to the basic rules, like how we can use this, like basic commands. So just scroll and go to this prompt FAQ, and you can see the first one, basic commands FAQ. Just click on that and go to, as you see, similar, like we use a MidJourney. Here also we have to use slash imagine and then our prompt, and we can use our hyphen no command, hyphen ar for horizontal 3:2 ratio, and for vertical command we use hyphen ar 2:3 ratio. So yeah, these three or four things are available here. And also we use a link of another image and rebuild it. So yeah, that's important thing and also very good for us. So yeah, like I will check it as well. So this is just a basic commands which we use while creating some images here. So yeah, now let's start with some thing. So just go to this rookie test, the common place where we are able to give prompts and create. So let's start with some sample and let's see how it's work. So as you see, multiple many peoples are created their images here, you can see. So let's type in the message slash imagine, and then after that give a prompt which is available in the basic command, painting of a cute cat, no 3D cartoons. So let's see what we are getting. So as you see, after a few time we will get a created image. As you see, a kind of similar to that. And we can see here upscale, we are able to upscale all those images, and we also create their variations v1 v2 v3. As you can see, this is an image which also we are able to download, save in our system. And so yeah, this is very great. And so let's type something else and explore it more. So just type group of lions in a forest, and let's see. But before that, you can see this feature, just right click on our prompt and we will get a personal space which is paid in MidJourney. So yeah, this is very great thing. So like you can go to a MidJourney and copy someone's prompt created by someone, and just copy his prompt and compare it. As you see right now, this is a Greek word created by MidJourney. Just copy his prompt, this prompt, and go to the BlueWillow and create the same thing. So just in our personal space, create it BlueWillow and type it, and let's create it. Let's compare either we are getting the same or not. And as you can see here, let's, before that, type imagine and click. pre-god status, and wait a second, we are getting images, but little bit inequality wise or in naturality wise, we can say little bit less than a mid journey, but yeah, it's okay. We will get a cool things. You can see I created some minion stuff, so it's look cool. So yeah, this is kind of similar mid we are, and also we can create unlimited image. That's a great thing. And definitely after a few time it will going to upgrade, and you can see the mid journey price. It is $8 per month, $28, $48. So it is bit expensive for most of the people. And below, blue willow is a kind of free for us. So yeah, that's great deal. So must try it, and do subscribe the channel for more tutorials. Thank you.